Hey, what's going on, guys? Mike, aka Crypto Jewels. I'm going to do a real quick Bitcoin update from yesterday. We have got a little bit of action and just want to touch base real quick on what I'm seeing. So let's hop into the chart and not waste any time. All right. So yesterday we had talked about a couple different potentials. We started with this potential here. This orange count, this orange line that I had drawn, with this being an ABC with the 4-wave in, and we have a 1-wave impulse down. We would have an ABC up to put in a 2-wave. That, if this is the bottom here, which it looks like we might get one leg lower, but if this is the bottom here and we end up bouncing from here, wave 2 resistance would be anywhere from 21,140 all the way to 21,675. That would be the area to clear in order to have a bullish scenario play out. So if we do get rejected around 21,140 to 21,675, I anticipate this action here playing out, which would be price target anywhere from 15,200 all the way to around 16.2. That would be my price target for this final drop down if we are impulsive downwards for this last leg. The other scenario that I'm seeing, well, there's two in particular that I want to call out on this chart that I'm seeing as possible. The first one being that this is a 5-wave impulse here, this one. So you've got a 1, and then you have, I've highlighted the wave, this yellow A, B, C, which again, this C wave here, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave impulse down could possibly have one more smaller leg lower. It's just kind of hard to tell with how the steepness of that corrective, if it's got 5 in or if it's just got 3 in. So time will tell on that. But if this does play out, that would actually be a good sign if it starts to impulsively move towards this 3-wave at 26,200, and then we would have a correction. So this is what bulls would want to see, is a impulsive move. Just say we bottom here, an impulsive move like that, a corrective move like that, and then one more impulsive move up all the way to 28,000 ish. That would bring us to a complete 5-wave structure, pushing us in 5 waves off of the low, which has not happened, as I had mentioned yesterday. That has not happened at all since basically April of 2021. So it's been a real long time since we've had any kind of 5-wave impulse off of the low. That is key in order for us to have confidence that we potentially have a bottom in. So for bulls, that's what they want to see. For bears, they want to see the rejection of that last chart here at 21,140-ish. But there is one more scenario that I see as possible. It's a little sloppy. I'm not entirely sure I like it a whole lot, but that this is some sort of an ending diagonal here. I'll throw the wave on it so you can see it, and I'll get rid of that. What do we got going on this? So that would be a really, really sloppy, ugly ending diagonal as an impulsive 1, 2, 3, A, B, C to create your 1, and then a 2, A, B, C for your 3. This would have to be an ABC with a basically a very, very, very steep zigzag ABC. And then you would have a structure that would move in 3 waves, not 5, up through about 23,000. And then that is a potential rejection point as well. So for bears, the 2 areas that they want to see, oops, wrong chart. For bears, the 2 areas they want to see get rejected is 21,140 to 21,700-ish, or 23,000, which would be a larger degree ABC. And for bulls, it's real simple. Bulls have to push them impulsively through $28,390 roughly in a 5-wave manner. So that's what bulls and bears need to see in order to confirm one direction, one way or another. See y'all later.